Morning. Another cold one. But not so bad today. Jump right in. Where did we live off last time? It doesn't matter because I did a crap load of work over the weekend. Had a nice long break and did some fun stuff. I'm going to start by doing some playtests. Make sure I didn't break anything. Then figure out what to do from there. Oh, I'm already getting an error. Callback effect with tag size not found. Okay. So the problem here is that I implemented a system that animates text in the game. In the text, I'll show you. Yeah, so it's broken right now because I broke it. All right, let's fix what I did. I'm having an issue where there's two plugins that are fighting each other right now. I was trying to fix it by changing one of the keywords, but it did not work. Yeah, it's very strange. So this should work again, but definitely having issues. All right. No error. Good. So the issue is every time I jump to a dialogue, it does this like animated typewriter effect where everything kind of scales in. And that's because when the text has a bracketed keyword called size, it does that now with this new plugin. But the other plugin that I'm using also automatically puts in brackets with a size keyword because it uses the same thing. So I think there's a way to change it. Let's do a little searching. Pixel crushers, common, third-party support. Let's see, text animator and dialogue system size. I'm gonna have to do a little Google sleuthing because this person had the same issue. And all I gotta do. Okay. I figured it out. I just gotta read this page. It's not that long. No, this isn't the problem. This person is saying, yeah. So I have to import something. Extras, text. Oops. Wait, why is it already downloading? Yes, Excel? Oh. Text animator. There we go. Oh, this is for text animator 1.0. I have text animator 2.0. Clean text mesh pro subtitle panel. That looks cool, but I don't need that. Ooh, updated for text animator 2.0. Text animator support. This looks like what I need. All right, so I'm a little afraid to implement these things because who knows what they'll do. So let me do a little backup. So oh my god, so distracted today. Woo, it's a big day. It's a big day for me. A lot of weird stuff going on. Good and bad. Mostly good. Mostly good stuff. Where is that package? Oh wait, I was going to back up. That's what I was going to do. Terminal. Back up. So that means we need to close Unity. Documents. Nope. Yep, projects. Innkeeper. Unity projects. Did we change anything? Oh my god, of course we did. What did we change? I did some updating to a tree. I put a tree in the game. And, oh yeah, I moved a bunch of scripts around. Good. Added one tree. Alright, we're backed up. Now we can safely install that package. Soon. Soon we'll be done. Oh god, it's freezing. I didn't change that much. Oh, this compiler log. No, that's probably taking forever. Wait, it says writing 100% done. Oh no. Not good. Not good. Okay, I hate it when this happens. You never know if it's broken or if it's fine, just stuck, you know? Give it one more second. Okay, that's the second. That is the second you shall receive. I'm here, but I have a meeting, Mike Lombardo. Go to your meeting. Go, go, go. We'll be here. So, did it push? Let's see. It didn't push. Writing objects. Okay. Nothing refused. Oof. It's possible that I did a build last night. Did a build for the first time since, oof, I don't even know, March or May. Not good. Not good. You got to build often. It compiled shaders forever, and I think I'm storing those. That's not good. And I think what it's trying to do is it's trying to upload that big chunk of compiled shaders. This is just writing on. The upload is. Well, you know what? It's not uploaded, but it's here. It's backed up in my Git, so. And I might actually want to undo that commit because I gotta figure out how to stop tracking. Get back into Unity. I don't know what it is about Tuesdays Twitch, but on Monday I log in, I pop open my computer and I get hundreds and hundreds of emails about all these people streaming Mondays at the same time, and then here it is on Tuesday. I look at who's streaming and it's 2 people that I know. Usually there's like 10. Yesterday there was 10 people going. Wonder what it is about Mondays versus Tuesdays. Maybe I should switch to Monday. I don't know. I kind of like my Sundays to just be relaxed to the very end. Okay. Let's install that package. Probably. The text animator support Unity package. I just drag and drop this in here, right? Or do I drag and drop it in here? Yeah. Third-party support, text animator support. Well, sure. I wonder what this does. I didn't change Pixel Crusher's plugin too much. I changed one thing. And it was... I did it because I didn't want to run one of these. Oh, no, actually there's 2 things. Because he actually sent me fix one day. Ran that, and I don't even know what that did, so I can never like reinstall it. Alright, what's up? Where'd you go? Where'd it go? Maybe it went in Pixel Crusher's dialog system third-party support inventory engine. Nope. Went in here. Maybe I have to leave and come back? No? Let's just see if it fixed. I don't really know what it's supposed to do. No, it's still doing that. Still doing that. That's not what I... Alright, what is another thing we can try? Should I bring it in again? Maybe it just shouldn't. Maybe I should drag it into here. Let's try that again. I bring it in. Something happened. First of all, let's bring it onto this window. It doesn't seem... Oh, why does it do that? It doesn't want me to drag it. Okay. Alright, so I'm just dragging it into the root and see where it wants to go. Nothing to import. All assets from this package are already in this project. Absolute liar. Where did you go? Text. Animator. Support. Where are you? You are in... Oh. You're in plugins dialog system third-party support. Oh, and you were already here. Okay, read me. Let's read it. Contains custom button for fast forwarding and works with text animator subtitle text. That's not the problem I'm having. I'm having the problem where competing sizes. Competing sizes. Ooh. Actually, yeah, this I haven't read text animators documentation to get it in. Oh, this is horrible. Not what I want to do today. Let's go to that. Easy integration. You can simply to integrate the plugin in this section, you don't have to install any external packages. However, you may want to disable their typewriter and replace it with text animators one. Okay. Interesting. Why would I want to do that? Use TextMesh Pro instead of Unity's built-in text. Yes, I already do that. Remove Dialog System's typewriters on the text game objects you want to animate. Okay, so I guess that's probably what's causing it. Curdy Bear. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, you guys are back. How are you? Wow, 2 for the price of fun. Kurt and Mike at the same time. Mike's fantasy. My fantasy too. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How are ya? Good friends Kurt and Mike are here to watch me work. Tell me all about your Thanksgivings, your nice long weekends. All right, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna get rid of the typewriter system and put in TextMesh animator, or the text animator typewriter. And we're gonna see if that makes it better. The Typewriter Pro, TextMesh Pro typewriter effect. This is going to be a problem. I can feel it because there. How many places reference that thing? Typewriter effect. Where is it? Where? Come on, come on. Who references it? I know one of you referenced. Yeah, maybe it's the continue button. Continue button. On fast forward, okay. Okay. I wish I had live streams of all of you at all times. This is nice. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Can you guys hold my hand while I do this? Alright. Ready? So scary. First, I'm going to add the text animators typewriter effect because one thing at a time. What I need to do is add the typewriter by character. Boom. Typewriter by character. And I want to disable this. I delete you. By God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Did the whole game explode? Okay. So let's just see if that alone changed anything. Getting a GUI error. That always happens. It's so annoying. Wait. So... okay, now it doesn't do the animation. But it also doesn't even do this. Okay. It's like the typewriter starts automatically. Automatically from all events. True. Starts automatically. What's going on? There is no typewriter starts automatically. There is the start typewriter mode on enable, on show text. Maybe I don't want these. Okay, I only want from script. Because it's always visible, it's just not like... Alright, let's try a few things. We gotta get this working. Important to me. It's gonna show up here and instantiates every time. Kurt, I'm looking into shipping my bowling ball. Ship it to you. Alright, that didn't work. Do it. I'm gonna. Okay. If I go here and nope, subtitle text. I'm just gonna hit start. Look at that. It does it. But well, let's go back to everything. And there's nothing. Nothing's triggering it. So there were two pieces of documentation that needed to happen. Add the components, text animator, TMP, text animator, TMP, yep. Typewriter by character, typewriter by character. Or typewriter by word. Dialogue as shown in the easy integrations. Really? Yeah, so this typewriter starts automatically. It's not even the same thing anymore. Reset typing speed at startup. Use typewriter. Okay, and that means be active. Disappearance orientation. I'll polish it up real nice. It's got a chip in it. It's got a tiny chip in it. I don't know. I might just leave it somewhere. Alright, this is upsetting because neither of these things are fixing my problem. What did this person have? I have a problem that it's... Yeah. The text no longer looks like it used to. I followed all the steps. I just need configuration to leave it as before. What is it? Okay, this is dialogue systems integration. So it's basically saying go follow his setup. Switch your... Oh, here we go. I have to actually read it. Switch your subtitle panel from standard UI subtitle panel to text animator subtitle panel. That's the one. That seems like the thing. I'm missing a piece. If you want to enable any of these features. Oh, actually, it doesn't seem like it because they're not talking about the problem that I'm having. All right, let's just try it. Standard UI subtitle panel. So much stuff. Do a text animator subtitle panel. Okay. Please, please, please let me copy and paste these values. B component. Paste values. Oh, paste component is new now. Oh, pain. Right? The panel is itself. Portrait image, I don't have any. Name text, subtitle text. Okay. Alright, it's gonna take me a second. Subtitle text. GUI. Name. Okay. Oh, let's see, what are our values? New button. Who's the button? Block input duration, 0.1. Is that what I had there? 0.1. Add speaker name format. That's all good. None of these checkboxes. Nothing. Okay, subtitle. The enabler. Nope. First selected. First selected is the subtitle panel. Okay. 2.0. What else? Still superseded. Go hide. Let's focus. Okay. Deactivate on hidden. Nope. And then clear text on close. I have those unchecked for some reason. Not sure why. So, okay, these I should be able to copy and paste. Paste. Ah, yes. Okay, that's on open. Copy. On close. Paste. And this one's on focus. Copy. Paste. On unfocus. I don't think any of our wives would appreciate that. I would pay a nice monthly fee to get Kurt Cam. I missed that. Kurt Cam, Kurt. Just do it. Oops. Wait. Hey. Okay, so it's funny because I actually don't know how to pronounce your name. She's Corey Bear. Is it She's Corey Bear? I've never actually said it out loud. Welcome in. Is Corey? Okay. How you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Only one bear allowed in here. It was 2 bears. Oh god. Doing good. How's the inn today? The inn is going well. I'm trying to fix a stupid problem that I made for myself over the weekend. I implemented a third-party plugin that animated text, and it looked really cool. But now it's fighting with another plugin, and they technically have documentation on how to fix it, but it doesn't work. Double bears. It's getting grisly in here. Talk about the polar exposure. What up, FB? Oh man, everyone's waking up now. All right, let's see if this worked. I'm gonna. I don't like this. I'm gonna remove this component. Goodbye, component. Okay, so now I'm only left with this one. Let's see if I fixed it. Hey. Subtitle panel accumulate text feature. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but that's not the problem. Oh, okay. That didn't work at all. That was horrific. Oh. I think I need to connect this somewhere else. I had to walk the dog and cook my wife breakfast and attend my morning stand-up. You just made up so much information about yourself, but that's okay. That's okay. Wait. Wait. Why is it broken now? No, 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 no. Can I undo that? I hit play. Oh, I can undo it. Sick. No. No, that was just undoing my selection. Can I undo the thing I did before I hit play? I don't think so. Oh, it's back. Okay. Okay, it looks like I undid a bunch of stuff I didn't want to undo. What's the hotkey for redo? Redo. Well, shipsy. Redo, redo, redo. Okay. Oh. Undo. Okay, we're back. So the problem is it's not feeding the text now to the dialogues. And I don't know why. By the way, guys, you should go follow Corey. She does some fun. Sometimes she does some retopos, some modeling. She's making this cute game in Unreal. Go follow Corey. We've rated her a few times, so if you've been around for those, then you already know her. Now, all right, so we're back, and I just need to know, forget how the dialogue system feeds this panel. It's text. Well, you're welcome. Shoutouts are free. And oh, here it is. Standard dialogue UI. Conversation text elements. The NPC subtitle panel. That's the one. So what I need to actually do is change that. So let's delete this. Move component. Go back up to the dialogue UI. Panel. Missing. Anymore. There you go. We just retopo dogs full time. Love it. I've said this on your stream before. I find retopo to be quite soothing. Just like you're just tracing, you know? Like it's like when you're a kid and you're tracing and you know it's gonna come out good. All you gotta do is trace it. And it's just mindless. Okay, so we got our text back. So now I can't remember if we had... Yeah, the typewriter effect's not happening. Thank you so much for the tip, of course. I am full of tons of unsolicited tips. Let's see, I need some tips. Now, how the heck am I going to figure this out? I think it's because this thing, the typewriter effect happens on awake, like when the thing is instantiated, but it's already instantiated and hidden. I think it's doing the typewriter effect behind the scenes and it's never changed. How am I going to fix this? Possible, like when the panel opens, you need to throw one more event that's like 2 typewriter effects. So typewriter, character, set typewriter speed, show text. Is that the one? Or was there a start? Oh no, show text is affecting text. Start showing text. Ooh, true, sure. Okay, cross your fingers, everybody. Just want a very simple typewriter effect. Maybe it's because I have to like put a typewriter effect. Okay, I saw the tail end of it. Wait a minute. I think it's because I got to the sign fast enough to see it finish. Not good. It's causing me pain, trouble. Wait a minute. Did it again. Okay. Okay. So that's good at least. Now can I fast forward it? Nope, I can't fast forward it because the continue button shows up. This is the problem that that the guy on the forum had. Yes, the text no longer looks like it used to. The continue button should only appear when the entire conversation is finished typing. Did you do it? Yes, did that. Okay, after upgrading. This person has errors. The new integration package doesn't reference text animator player. Looks like you're still using the old one. Please try this. Back up your project. Delete all your stuff and integrate something new. Okay. Let's go here. Text animator. So this is the thing we used. Maybe when you beat the game, you pull back the camera to reveal a giant typewriter, and it was all a story being written by Stephen King, and then he says, needs more horror, and then you get to replay the entire game, but now it has elements of horror. Grisly murders. I love it. I'm gonna do that. Just 2.0, you know? I gotta make 1.0 first. Nick! What up, Nick? How are you? Okay. I've decided what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna disable text animator in the subtitle panel until further notice. We're gonna try and undo everything. Text animator subtitle panel. Come on. Come on, let me undo. Let me undo. Please, 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 please. Let me undo. We'll put back the old one. I'm wild. You're wild. Subtitle panel. Standard UI subtitle panel. Oh, this sucks. At least I remember what to do. You get that. Subtitle text, you get that. Name panel, get that. BitGamey is first. BitGamey, how did you get here first? I'm pretty sure there were 5 other people here. Second. How are ya? Guy, oh yeah. So yeah, we hit 100 followers when we went off stream yesterday. I knew that was gonna happen. We were at 99, and then we hit 100. Yeah, we hit 100. We're celebrating today. We hit 100. We hit 100. Is that something to celebrate? Not really. It's not done. It's a long time to get here, but whatever. Who cares? It amazes you that I don't have many more. Why? Look at this guy. Who wants to follow this guy? Talk like some New York street urchin. And I'm making a cozy game. People don't like cozy games. People like action, grisly murder, gore. Not cozy. But that's okay. I like cozy, so I'm gonna make a cozy game. And guess who has 99? Who has 99? I think I know where you're going with this. Be careful. Michael, we hit 100! Follower go. We hit 100 again? That's crazy. Oh my god. All right, thank you. Thank you for that, Mike. Gave me that moment. New goal. Our goal. Boom, boom. What about subbed? You may have 1 subscriber. Or you're my only subscriber. Or you were. I don't even think you are anymore. Nah, you're not. Oh, yeah, you are. Congrats on the 100 followers. It's always amazed me. Yeah. You are great. The game's no, stop it. Stop it. Stop it, big game. I don't take compliments. It's like people don't like cozy games. Well, I just think the Twitch community doesn't like cozy games. Correct me if I'm wrong. I just haven't found my peeps yet. Okay. Okay. Not here to be a Twitch star. I'm here to make a game. I think that's important not to forget. Here to make a game. Some people try and do both. I don't think you can do both. I don't think you could truly make a game and just try and be a Twitch star. It just doesn't. You end up just making. Yeah, pick one. At least for me, I can't focus. Sorry, guys. Stop doing that. Thank you, FB. I gotta reset this. In the middle of resetting. Unfocus. Oh, how annoying. Pop this out. I think I can. I double click on this. Right click, properties. That's it. Pop it out. If I click Unity, okay, go. I can have both. Okay. So this is the one I want. Copy to. This is the one I'm copying from. Copy. And point 1. I need the continue button. No scroll bar. Nope. The NPC subtitle panel. Self. Leader in content, game state. Okay, I think that's it. Delete this now. Remove. Okay, so now the big thing I need to do is I need to remove this typewriter effect. I need to put back the old typewriter. Move more text animator. Animator and figure you out later. Now we gotta put the typewriter effect. Unity UI typewriter effect? No. XMesh Pro typewriter effect. Okay. I'm pretty sure I can copy the. Okay, yeah. So the only difference was copy component, base component. Great. Back. We're back. NASA Creep. What up? Bonzi. Let's go. Nudality Innkeeper-Sim mode. Yeah, we're doing bathtub, jumping in shower, body painting, Innkeeper-Sim today. That's what we're doing. I saw. You mean like the island in the Bahamas, Nick? I bought a sub and wait, I missed a bunch of stuff. I pre-ordered on Amazon. I don't know what you pre-ordered. Kurt, yes I am. Yes, you are. It's monthly. Yes, I bought a sub and it disappeared. They go away every month, Mike. That's why you did Sad Santa. I don't want to be a Twitch star either. That's not why I started streaming. being a Twitch star, that's not a goal of mine either. I just love hanging out with you guys. It's just so much fun. I get to make a game at the same time. Who was your 100th? Technically, I don't know. It was someone off stream. I don't remember. Look it up. The activity feed. Third party events. The 100th follower was technically someone named Flight 42. Thank you, Flight 42. And Mike and Evby did some unfollowing and refollowing to keep hitting 100. Did you get an update on my Motorola Razr? Actually, I still use a Nokia, and it doesn't receive notifications. All right, so hopefully I'm back to normal here. Let's just see the typewriter effect working again. How disappointing. 30-minute running around in circles just to do what I did. All right, we're back. This is the conversation text. Let's make it long enough to reach the second line. All right, I didn't add it to the dialogue, so it doesn't feed it the text. But it looks like we're back. No, not PC. Get out of here. MPC subtitle. Yep. Lindsay, thank you for the game notification. Elvin's Nobelstein. Welcome in, everybody. Nice Tuesday morning. You don't know who I am? My name is Andrew. I'm an indie game dev. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. Innkeeper life sim game where you build and run and decorate an inn, or bed and breakfast, or a motel, or hotel, or a guest house, whatever you want to call it. I want to show you some fun stuff I did over the weekend. So we didn't get the animated text working there, but it's part of fresh filed. And I want to show you the fun stuff that the text animator does do. So I was doing a little playthrough because I'm trying to get a build out. I did say in my go live notification, I got news I might want to share. I have news that I might want to share. 2.5 pieces of news. The half piece of news I probably won't share. But I have 2 other pieces of news. One of them I'll definitely share. One of them, I don't know yet. Might not be the right time. But I'm going to wait a little. I'm going to let that simmer. Because I can't just say news. It's really difficult for me to share news. There's no Omi command. But there is a googly eyes. Thank you. Don't forget, I gotta make some animals. Yeah, I haven't made animals in a while. So let me show you the fun thing that the text animator does do. And I need to give Eugene his schedule back. No, don't do that. Okay. You wanted to modify component revert, not reset. I'm sitting here talking for so long that my coffee goes cold. How sad is that? Alright, so this is basically a fresh game. This is that cutscene we made a long time ago. Skip that. So here's a little bit of it. So we got moving text. That's cool. Alright, it slides around, it dances. That's not the best part. The best part, this one's fun. I like this one when I get a new task. They bounce. But that's still not the best part. Insult. My favorite part of the new text animator. Ooh, I gotta add it here. I gotta put that on my to-do list. So I have a playthrough to-do list. Add animated text to hotspot discovery. Okay, so when I talk to Eugene, so I just got my first quest of the game, which was go talk to Eugene. See it right here, scary letter, find the head of the town council. Got a little exclamation mark. Even got a chat bubble, he wants to chat. Oh, no, don't run away. I'm Eugene. So this is my favorite part. What can I do for you? So now, and there's a quest that is demanding my attention. It does this now. It like pops, you know? Make it big. This is my favorite part. So I did a bunch of code that reads into the dialogue system that says, hey, am I a quest? And is this urgent? And when it is, highlights, it animates, and even has the same exclamation mark, hopefully that you draw the connection. And the letter R is scary. Wait, don't go. Damn it. Back. Back. Scary letter. The letter R is a scary letter. Are you referencing that weird thing I told you in college? Is that what you're doing right now? That's complete. I love this. This bouncing, that's the best. Skip all this. Ooh, wait. Actually, this, yeah, dude. NPCs can animate the door? Or did I just trigger the door? Good question. You didn't tell me anything about the letter R in college. I can't tell if you're serious or not. I also have this relationship increase notification when you actually chat with them. That makes their chat bubble go away. Benji crashes the game. I will not talk to Benji. Okay. I'm gonna deny that. Because that term cannot be said here. Benji looks like he crashed the game. Yeah, he's on. So, in my to-do list, Benji's conversation breaks the game if spammed. The #1 thing I need to fix. Carlos wants it. You gotta make a Joel. You like inspired by Last of Us? Okay. It's bugging me, these tears in the cobblestone. No? Why? What is Joel then? Oh, it's a private joke between you and Mike Lombardo 3D only. So this pity party, it's highlighted, but it doesn't jump around. It means it doesn't command your attention. Absolutely not a private joke. Benji and Joel are the guys from Good Charlotte. Really? How is a band member from Good Charlotte? Common knowledge. Absolutely not. Okay, I can fix this. I think it's inside corners. Yeah, it's inner corners have this issue. So let's fix that. It just wasn't private, sure. Yes, you got me on a technicality. Let me know when you want to hear some news. And maybe I'll say news. Oh my god. Lindsay. Lindsay. The Monroys. So much modding required. Okay. So it looks fine. Like it has... The transforms are perfect. Maybe it's the surrounding things. Nope. Nope. Nope, everything's fine. Okay. Is it causing me trouble? So why is this a problem? So this has zeroed out transforms too. Oh, it's just high. The bricks are right height, but it's just this thing is too high. Now I could fix it in Maya, the proper thing to do. Or I can just fix it here and say F it. I'm gonna say F it for now. And I'm okay with this. So now how do I snap it? Wait. What? So it connects on this side, it just doesn't connect on this side. If I scale it down to to 0. And then I move it up. No, it does not like that. Okay, we're gonna have to fix it in Maya. It is a very low priority thing, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I haven't opened Maya in a bit. Might as well get in there, right? Oh my god. I know that's not a good word. Nico's birthday is next Tuesday. I took the day off work, and I'll be in Queens all day and most of the night. Anyone want to join me? Who wants to join Ganzi and Nico for Nico's birthday next Tuesday? I have work on most Tuesdays. Owen is giving you the day off. He'll be in Malaysia anyway. Next Tuesday, I'll be on a plane. I won't be there yet. Next Tuesday, I'm going to Japan. Oof. Oof, I'm nervous. I am nervous. There are so many things happening. Okay, so where is that? I think it's in the town. I think I made that tile set in the town. Let's open up. Level layout? Town layout? Yeah, it's great. It's not a great place to. I'm down for a Nick's bash. You guys are gonna bash. I can't join you. Sorry. You even care? You even care that I can't come? Outer corner. Okay, it looks like this is my. Nope, that's not the right set. Brick path. There it is. Brick path. In case you wanted proof that I made this brick pattern myself, I basically just rendered a bunch of bricks. There's your proof. Everyone's been complaining. Hey, did you even make your own brick texture? Yeah, I made. All right, so what's wrong with you? Float. Look at you. You float. You're a floater. Make you not float. Wait, why doesn't that snap? Prevent negative scale. There we go. Okay, shouldn't float anymore. Now, how did I export this? Uh-oh. Where I need to make export groups. Did I make an export group? I have a town terrain export set, which is the walls. Okay, I need to make an export set for the brick path. I'm pretty sure this is everything, but let me go back to Unity just to be sure. brick path. What did I call it? Brick path bridge. Brick. Oh, I did them individually. That's crazy. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Prefab, brick path. Corner inside round. Yep, I did do them individually. I only need to do the inside round, right? Corner A inside round. Corner A in. Send to you. Selection. Where did I put it? Put it in models, modular sets, paths. Or sets. Models, modular sets, paths. Brick inside. Right? Export. Replace. Yes. Fix it? Look at that. Seamless. Seamless. Alright. Problem solved. That's been bugging me for a while. What a stupid problem. Oh my god. What am I missing here? Why would you do this on a Tuesday? Next time I'll do it in the past. I'm down for Nick's bash. None. Ask my parents. Jesus. Why wouldn't you do it before or after? Having a housewarming party? Oops. This Saturday? I hope everyone who's invited knows. You guys are just inviting the world here. You do realize this is a public place. Everyone now is going to show up to Evby's housewarming party this Sunday. ZT, Tuna! Yeah, we had 100. I think we're going to stay here, though. Please, no more followers. If you're out there and you're not following and you were thinking about it, just... I don't know what'll happen if you do, but just don't. Any more followers. 1,000 is the next milestone. How long did it take us to hit 100? Started doing this in August? End of this, maybe September, first week in September. I started doing it. September, October, November. It was 3 months to hit 100 followers. Am I late to something? 99? To infinity and beyond. Yes, we are going to get infinity. Are you late to something? Not really. We're just kind of, I don't know. Chat's going wild. Evby and Ganzi are throwing parties in real life, so if you're in New York, you can go to their party. Please like and sub to my vlog. I have 11 followers. I'm 2 of those followers. I'm ready. I want to see more content. Nick. I can't wait till we're partying in your mansion, looking up at the big board to watch it hit 1 million. Oh, so Amanda and I, we like to say that when we move to Japan, we're gonna live in a mansion and make millions because over there the word mansion is just the name for a certain kind of house, like a certain kind of building, and it's not like an expensive place, but you want to move into a mansion because they have like thicker walls, and the yen is 100 times the dollar, so we'll be making millions of yen. But we're gonna live in a mansion and make millions. That's a pro tip. How to make millions and live in a mansion. That's gonna be my YouTube clickbait title. Till 15th of December, then I can enjoy life. It is so heavy these days. I'm sorry. No, that's rough. Remember finals, school was the worst. Ah, school. College was easy. High school, not easy. $6,000 equals 1 million yen. You've got this. Yeah, the yen is really weak right now. Everyone's been like, wow, you're moving to Japan? The yen is so weak. You're gonna love it. You're gonna have such a good time, but so I did have one. I had a couple pieces of news. I'll say the first piece of news. The first piece of news is that Amanda's visa approved. We got it in the mail. Her visa is approved. We're going to Japan. We're gonna live there soon. Deet, 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 deet. Yeah, so I didn't get mine yet back. I mean, I didn't get mine back yet, but I do need to get that soon because the flight is on Tuesday and they have my passport. They physically have my passport. And they promised they'd give it back to me this week. And the flight is next Tuesday. Do you think I'm screwed? Raise your hand if you think I'm screwed. And then also raise your hand if you think that I'm not screwed. Okay. ML Jesus! How you doing? Finally caught you online, yeah. How are you? We're talking about Japan. ML Jesus, guys. First of all, I'm gonna do a bunch of shout outs. First, I'm gonna give a shout out to BitGamey. He's always here hanging out. He's nice to me. He's a great streamer, so please go check him out. Sometimes he's just chatting. Sometimes he does game dev. He's a tool developer. He does a whole bunch of stuff. Second shout out. Actually, there's 2 shout out functions, aren't there? Shout out. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's the real shout out. Okay. I have my own shout out, and then there's this real shout out thing. All right. The next one up. ML Jesus. He does some game dev as well. I watched him make an infinite runner. And he just got back from Japan, his trip. How was Japan for you, ML Jesus? Go check him out too. Oh, wait, who raised their hand? Everyone raised their hand. I don't know why you raised your hand. You gotta give the reason too. All right, how about this? If you're already a follower and you want to raise your hand, subscribe, and then I'll know you raised your hand. And if you're not a follower, you gotta follow, and that's how you raise your hand. Okay? Do those rules make sense? Oh, we only do shout out for networking purposes and not just like Do you even know what a shout out is, Mike Lombardo 3D? Okay, Mike Lombardo doesn't know what a shout out is. Can one of the other streamers please inform Mike Lombardo? I don't have time for this. I gotta get back to game. You asked to raise our hand if we thought you were screwed. Yeah. I think you should shout out Nick's channel. This is absurd. Oh man, I just realized that I gave everyone the ability to shout people out. Tuna, don't shout Mike out. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Where's my bouncers? Got a meeting, I'll be lurking. Thanks for hanging out for a sec. Jesus. Jesus. I'm gonna call you Jesus. Soft G. Or is that a hard G? I don't actually know. Alright, well, what the hell were we doing? You guys are so distracting. It's 8 o'clock. I feel like I've done nothing. What did I do? Oh yeah, I fixed this brick texture. Now that's fine. Biddies! Kurt gave me biddies. Oh, Kurt, thank you for the bits. Distracting streams. I might be familiar, yeah. It's like why you chat to distract a streamer. Alright. I'm gonna try and power through this and just like, get something done. Let's unload the scene. I'm gonna look at my list. Benji's conversation breaks the game of spam. Let's fix that. I don't want a game-breaking bug. Alright. Multiple triangles. Your name is familiar. Thank you for the follow, though. Welcome in. Alright. Hydrated. I did that. And 0 work today. This game is never coming. No, it's coming out. It's coming out. The second piece of news I have. There's the second piece of news. It is related. Let's sit on that for a bit. Like an egg. It needs to warm up before it can catch that news. Let's fix Benji's conversations. Benji, why does your conversation break the game? Why? So if I go to that. So the reason why Benji's conversation breaks the game is He says one thing, and if he doesn't say that one thing, it's stuck here. No, it passes through, pass through. You pass through all the way to here. And then this continue. I actually don't know why it breaks the game. To me, it looks like this should just continue out of the conversation and just end. And I don't know why. I think it's because this continue. Let me look at another person. So if I go to Eugene, Eugene does not cry. Chats. Okay, so yeah. So I basically need it to not continue. It just can't continue at the end. It needs to say something like a goodbye. This is one of my, thank you. One of my bigger to-do lists was to end conversation. I need help from you guys. Let me explain a system, and then I want you all to chime in with what you think. Every day, these characters say a new piece of information. And here you can see. This is the first thing. If you talk to a character for the first time, they say this first thing. If you go back to them the next day, they'll say this new thing. So basically, if you chat with a character every day, you unfold their background, story, whatever. Whatever I put in this chat, that's what you unfold. It has to come to an end at some point, right? And the dialogue needs to cut off and say, you need to know, like, this is the end. Like, there's no more conversation. So I need to figure out how to do that. Right now, I have a goodbye. So if you go to this character on the first day, it says this, and then skips, and then we pop out here. He just says, good day. See you later. Do I want to say a goodbye, or do I want to like figure it out? I think I want to figure out how to just end the conversation without anything, right? You have to make up some weird task. You have to eat some pumpkin pie for a boyfriend. Who's your boyfriend? How about I gotta go. Gotta go. Great speaking with you, but I'll have to get back to my gardening now. Every character should say that. Great speaking with you. I'll have to get back to my gardening now. Games never release. Devs just keep adding them. Feature creep is real. I like how the mod blocked that for bullying because he said creep. One time, Omar came to my desk, and I think I gave him a slight attitude about his stupid question, and then he turned around slowly, and then ran, making crying noises. It was a good day. Did that just happen? Oh, this is for every character? Yeah, every character needs an end of conversation, like, sign-off. Should I have like a bucket of, like, 30 goodbyes? Like 30 different goodbyes, and they just pull one randomly from the bucket? Or should I think I need to figure out how to just end the conversation without it crashing. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use Benji. Benji. I'm going to bring Benji right here. He's going to hang out with me. We're going to get to the bottom of this. We're going to figure out how to not crash it. I just want to end the conversation. Benji is my test subject. So let's turn off his schedule so he doesn't go anywhere. Wouldn't it depend on what they're saying beforehand? Yeah, exactly. That's why having a random bucket is not a great idea. So that's why I'm just going to have them walk away. Do the walk away. And it's going to be big because big bucket list, not bucket list, big to-do list. So I don't think sequence continue is the right thing. It's like simulate to continue button click. It will continue. Wait, this is the player saying something. What if I switch it to me saying something? Or the NPC saying something? Okay, that's the first thing. It might be a bug because the end bubble is a player response. It goes away. I redeemed... Wait, what did you do? Check? What did you guys redeem? I keep track of all this stuff. Hydrate? I hydrated. Hydrate? I hydrated. You guys just redeeming hydrate? A posture check, a hydrate, play booyah. Oh my god, I didn't even hear that. Didn't even hear, honestly.
You and me. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah.
Sorry, Meek. Sorry, Meek Lombardo. I missed so much. First of all, NASA Creep says breakfast. What breakfast? What do you mean breakfast? I don't know what you're talking about. And you have 2 of those. Oh, 2 or 3 goodbyes. Okay, so I think we just discovered, or that we're gonna not do. We're just gonna do the fadeaway. The Omar story. Yes. I'm so sorry if I missed chat, guys. Let's get rowdy. Watch streak reached. Mike Gonzi MP3 is currently on a 5-stream streak. Look at you. You're too focused on your work and not focused on riffraff. Oh yeah, we need to change that. No. Need to work. Benji. Okay. Did I fix Benji? Let's see. Hi there, my name is Benji. Chat. I found some mushrooms on the Alpine Trail. I wonder what I should do with them. I wonder indeed, future chef. And it ended. That's good. Try it again. This is where it breaks. Chat. He says the same thing. Watch streak reached. Kurt Adair's on a 3-stream streak. It's not as good as Gonzi, but you know, good effort, Kurt. Good effort. Not that I really keep track too much, but I will say this is the most viewers I've ever had at once. So thanks all for being here. Text message, Discord notification. No, I don't look at that stuff. Here we go. So I think I fixed the bug. The bug is because at the end, I just need to make sure it's not a player end, it's an NPC end. And maybe that's been my problem for every character. So let's look at all the characters and make sure the end node is set to continue and is an NPC at. Shout out BitGamey for asking to see people. Show us your dog. Okay. She's here. I don't have puppy cam right now. You know what I could do though? What can I do? What can I do to show up? She's below me, but I don't have the cord. Where did I put it? Oh god, I don't know where it is. So unprepared. I was actually gonna take that out. Ugh. But that was also one of the pieces of sad news that I didn't want to say. The dog is not doing so hot. Puppy. A little ill right now. Oh. Please send out good vibes for Pep. That's all I'll say. I don't want to bring the mood down. Yeah, she's got, you know, old lady problems. Almost 13. Old dog. Old dogs have old dog problems. Anyway, what were we doing? Let's get it back on track. Let's go to chats. My oldest dog is 16. That's a great... Oh, that's a great... It's a great age. I really, I always thought Pep would live a long, long life. Fortunately, last year she got a disease that put a timer on. She's not dead yet. I'll just say that. Barely hear, barely see. Oh, poor dog. Alright, so I don't need to say this good. Just need this to be continue. Oh wait, if I change the database while the game is running, I crash Unity every time. I think it's gonna crash. Please don't crash. Okay, I didn't. I just need to add this to all the sequences. And I do not need this. Need this. Gotta go to everybody's chats. Get rid of their goodbye. And I might as well, like, remove the chat function, right? Get rid of this. Add this. Maybe I'm not quite finished debugging Reggie. Does this make sense that... Does he just not say anything? Does it just bust out and not say anything? So we already chatted with him. What does he do? He says the same thing. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Oh, big gamey. 16-year-old puppy. How old are your other ducks? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Alyssa. Chat. Oh, he's got a lot of outs. So. Okay, so he says, by the way, do you know how to operate a compass? This is below normal. Okay, so this only happens once. All rescues. Like 6 and 9. Very altruistic of you. Oh, what is this? Jeff give compass equal true? Work messages? Are you out of here? Don't respond to those yet. I still got time. So paste that node. Paste node. Basic list. How did you do that? No. Okay. Paste node is not the thing. It's never done that before. I'm gonna delete that. Continue. Do I need the semicolon? I actually don't think. I used to go to school with an altruistic. Wait, did someone subscribe? Did I miss that? I have 2 subscribers. I only had 1 before. Raise your hand if that was you. Sorry, I missed it. I can scroll up and find it. I don't see it. It must have been the wind. So, let's see. I was just going to say something. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry I can't show the dog. Got very distracted. Let me just reset a little. Hello, everybody out there. My name is Andrew. If you're new here, we are working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. Please, give it a wish list. Wish list. Check it out on Steam. Got the trailer going up in the corner. It is a cozy Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game. If you take Stardew Valley and you infuse elements of The Sims, that's what you get. You get the world building and the character interaction of Stardew Valley, inventory management, and an economy, and you have the building and decorating like The Sims. And you have people coming to your inn in a similar fashion, like when in The Sims when you made friends and the NPCs just like came over to hang out and they wanted to hang out and you had to let them in. and they played with your stuff. It's kind of like, I know what it's like taking care of your guests. You feed them, have needs, you assign them a room. Stardew Vims, exactly. Chat, Jeff, finished. Eugene. I'm gonna try and bust through this a little bit. Really hard to pay attention. A little distracted. Got me talking about my... And then you lock them up in the basement and tormented them, played loud music whenever they wanted to. So the aspect of The Sims that I will not be including is the ability to torture your guests. I am going to create ways for them to get out of rooms that have no exits and cannot be harassed. And I know that's a big part of The Sims. It's a big part of why people liked it so much. This conversation, ooh, conversation 8, conversation 8, conversation 9. So we already have a conversation. Okay. No torture. No torture. Okay, so Ruby already... Okay, so the problem with Ruby is it's blue. Why it was crashing. It can't be blue. Be gray. Ask me why. That's all. I've got nothing left to say. I kind of want him to be a jerk and say that, but keep it consistent. Keep it consistent. All. And Birch. Not sure what else to say. Don't say it. Conversation 7, conversation 8. Link. The end. Oh, no. Continue. Okay. Ducky is snoring. So someone helped me fix my audio quality last week, so it didn't like catch backup noise or background noise. And one of the pieces of background noise that I do want it to catch is the dog snoring. I want you all to hear that. Okay, Oriole, it looks like I have a fully fleshed out story. Look at that. And don't want that to happen. I want this to happen. Ooh, what did I miss? Dr. Gozim would torture Mervins this way. Mervins look a lot like an old Greek philosopher, and Dr. Gozim looked a lot like a magician with the body of Jack Skellington. It's true, I thought it was more of an old grandpa. Isn't there a Mervins in this game? There is a Mervins in this game. Ooh, cancel, cancel. What did I just do? Cancel. Nothing left. So yeah, a lot of these, if you see like this bracket 4, bracket 5, it means that their stories are not fleshed out. Sophie doesn't have chats. Jimmy doesn't have chats. Jules breaks the game too. So whatever the problem is, yeah. Oh, it looks like Jules. Like I figured out a way with Jules. Wait, what is this? Continue. No. Okay, so Jules is all messed up. Jules would break the game too. I don't know why. And I think this is continue cannot happen. We have 2. Continue. I want to continue. 100 followers. Yay! Who'd have thunk it? Who'd have thunk it? You know, slow and steady, right? Slow and steady wins the race. So instead of saying goodbye, we want to say nothing. Sequence continue. Oh, I remember. So Jules, basically she leaves. She just bounces the second you talk to her. So she doesn't really have chats. But I'm going to leave this for now. Benji, you're already fixed, right? Yep, Benji's already fixed. And Stella. Remember Stella? We added Stella live on stream. That was fun. Wait. Did I just delete her goodbye? Or did I delete... What did I just delete? You can't undo. I don't know what I just deleted. Nah, I think I just deleted a goodbye. Okay. Boom. We should be all fixed. Andrew would have loved... Wait. Rel Binks. I don't know what that is. He would have loved... Are you guys talking about times when you were young and you'd play The Sims together and torture the NPCs? We are still wondering if you will ever get her groove back. She got it. She got her groove back, but then she decided, you know what? I actually don't need the groove. I am comfortable without groove. And that is the next evolution of Stella. Being comfortable. Sans groove. Can you build walls around guests? Like if they wander into your property while you're building, can you build some walls? Yes, you can. You can definitely wall in guests right now and trap them. But before I release the game, I will have checks or stuff like that, and they will probably just warp the entrance of the inn where you cannot build walls. I've got to go get paint and coffee. Goodbye, everyone. Great job, Andrew. 100 followers. Whee! Thanks for hanging out, FB. Alright, so it looks like we did a big to-do item. So Benji's conversation breaks the game. Not anymore. Jules' conversation breaks the game of Samantha. Not anymore. Eugene's schedule is disabled. Yeah, I know. Add animated text to hotspot discovery. New area. Hotspot discovered. Where are you? Hotspot discovered. Title. This is the modal window. Modal window already has information. I need alert. Where's the alert? Show alert. It's this one. So all I gotta do. Jump. No, bounce. Okay. That will add some bouncing. That's fun. Nick the Nini, no. All of my clients are MIA. Does anyone have any content for me to work on? Oh my god. Sorry that all your clients went MIA. Localize these messages. Localization. That makes me cringe a little. We're gonna ignore that. So next thing on our list, this is a short list that I have another bigger list to check out. We're just ticking stuff off. We're just hitting list items right now. We are not adding anything more to the game. We are only hitting list items. Still having loading issues. This is a big one. I need the help from developers out there. I have a save system. When scenes load, everything in that scene saves to a file, but they're a member of that scene. And then when those scenes unload, all the stuff unloads with it. The problem is all the stuff is loading into opposite scenes during builds. So when I do a build of the game, I go to the forest. All the forest trees and flowers, they spawn. They're like, hey, I'm here. It's all the dynamic stuff. trees grow, bushes spread, rocks, whatever, debris, all that stuff spawns chemically. And when I go the previous scene, they despawn. But in the build, when I do a build, when I go into the previous scene, all the stuff from the forest is still there. It doesn't despawn. It's almost like it's, for some reason, only in the build. It saves it in the wrong scene. I don't know. And it's a problem. So yeah, I cannot fix that on stream because that requires a lot of build time and a lot of debugging. That's going to take me time. Let's do something more fun. Benji, let's get you back on your schedule. Benji. Revert. Modify component. Revert. Now you'll go scurry home. Might be time to like make a new interior. I gotta make the diner. And I have to make the hardware store. New interiors on the list. I don't need to make them yet, but I'll need to make them soon. So I'm just going to play the game for a second. Just see what other things I need to button up. This area is a little empty. It's this big open area. I'm going to put something here. What should I put here that can be a nice secret? Ooh, I gotta block that. I gotta add all this to the list as I see it. So add ground to visitor center exterior. And I wanted to model a nice sign here. This was definitely a placeholder. It's just gray squares. Model a fun Alpine Forest welcome sign. Trail Regional Park welcome sign. Whatever. Okay. Model a fun do not enter sign and switch the exclamation mark to something distant. So I have like 3 different exclamation marks and I'm not sure which one I want to use. I definitely know I don't want to use this one. This is an early one I made. And the characters, if I go to Jeff, he should have 100% right now. Oh, bit gamey. Thank you for the bit. Bit gamey giving bit. Lurk away. So this character has this kind of exclamation mark, which matches the style of the UI. There's consistency there. I do like that aspect of it. Task updated. Ooh, I love that bounce. Okay. And then I have a third one that's a 3D bouncing exclamation mark. Do we like that one more? That one shows up when I have a letter. Clickbait Game Studio. The never-ending to-do list indeed. Here's the third exclamation mark that I have in the game. I need help deciding which one to use. Clickbait Game Studio, maybe you can help me. Do we like this 3D one? Should I make a new 3D one that kind of matches the style of everything? Keep one of the 2D ones. Definitely not this one. Scoot around that. All right, so for the demo, I have 3 areas of the Alpine Trail. One of my big to-do lists was just to make this zone enter from left to right, or from right to left. Finally did that. Oh, this is Gary. How you doing? You like the 3D exclamation? Yeah, I think I do too. Wait, hotspot discovered. It didn't add the animation. Thought I added that. I added that. Why didn't it add? Hotspot discovered. Did I not save that? I never saved this. Okay. Slacking off at work. Well, I'm glad that I can offer you some Slack content. Oh, we're hitting the to-do list. I gotta get a build out. So part of my news that I'm letting simmer is that I need to get a build out of this game very quickly, or I go to Japan next week. So I'm hoping to tighten up a bunch of these things and just let it rip, you know, get it out there. Should have a new area. Do I want to add animated text when there's a new area? Yeah, probably. There we go. Yes, that's fun. Oh my god, that's so fun. Love. We're gonna do it. We're gonna add new area. Station. And instead of it being a colon, because that's boring, we're gonna do that. Break line. Show the location underneath. How long will we be in Japan? I'm super jealous. I will be in Japan for 2 weeks. The goal is to find an apartment. My wife and I, we need to find an apartment. And we have 2 weeks to do that. And then we're just gonna hang out. Gonna chill. Chill in Japan. We do not have a long list of sightseeing. No, we're not going to do a lot of sightseeing this trip. We're just going to hang out and find an apartment and see some people. It's like a fact-finding trip. Because, yeah, one piece of news that I gave earlier, which is something to celebrate, is my wife, her visa was finally approved officially. So it's on. It is on. We are going. And Unity is crashing. Thank you. Unity. Should reconsider all of this? Why do you say that, Mike Lombardo? You want me to be happy? We need you in New York for 65 more years. I don't think I'm gonna live at 65 more years. It's not gonna happen. Oh, Unity. Crashing. Did I close out the stream modeling something? I'll just let it crash. Okay, we're gonna let it crash. And let's make something. I wanna make that welcome sign. Let's first find some reference. So we want like a national park welcome sign. So yeah, there's like this classic one. Let's go to Pinterest. It always has. Wait. A cozy Twitch overlay. I was looking up some fun Twitch overlays, but I don't think I care. And was shitting my pants. Man, oh my god, Jesus. Oh my god, 99. Be careful. I allowed it and then I read it again. I'm like, oh god, you were actually saying that. I hope you're okay, 99. Be careful. Jesus. Welcome. What do I want? National Park welcome. Cute. Gotta be cute. This one's cute. I like the mountains sticking out. Mrs. Andrews, welcome to our adventure. Wait, this is all the same thing. Welcome to our adventure. Welcome to our adventure. Welcome to our adventure. What is this? Someone's Etsy is just taking over Pinterest. I like this with the rocks. This one's nice. Just a post. Oh, we gotta find a real nice one. This one's elaborate. It's very elaborate. Ooh, but this is actually showing me a lot better options. Okay, I like this for maybe somewhere inside. This one, I feel like I've seen this one before. Why don't you make it so everyone can fully have their own version? This is not for your inn. For your inn, I do want multiple welcome signs, but this is for the forest. One's cool. It's pretty epic. This is, I think this is the one I referenced. This is the one I referenced. I don't have Unity open anymore. See, this is the problem. I can never like make a decision. Yeah, this is definitely the one. Okay, I like this one. All right, so we're gonna do some kind of modified version of this. Let's put it in the corner. And what scene do I want to do it in? Probably in a new scene. Do I have any appropriate scenes? Let's see, level decorations, yeah. Buildings. Visitor center decorations. So this is for the inside of the visitor center, not the outside. But I'm gonna open up here just to get a scale and to get these. Oh, it looks like I made my interiors in here? Nah, I'm just making these. Okay, so we're gonna do visitor center. Exterior. New scene. We don't want any of these don't need the, but I just want to keep one for scale. Although I have the character for scale, whatever. Okay. Perfect. Using Pinterest for concept art is smart. I'll definitely borrow that technique. Pinterest is great. Has a lot of fun stuff on it. Sometimes it gets a little repetitive. And sometimes it gets to be a little bit of a design echo chamber, but just get the juices flowing, you know? Wait. How do I move you? Why are you back there? Everyone, good luck. Stay safe. Good luck on your apartment hunting. Might be me joining the stream for the last time in a while. Can't take it. No more. I'm tired. Gonna go to sleep. Oh, 89. Go take care of yourself. And thank you for hanging out. And you good luck as well. Visitor Center C. All right, so let's just take a quick look at what do I have currently? I have, yeah. I like that there's vines growing up. I will definitely use them. And it's how big? About 1 square is 1 unit. Can I export this? Welcome. Let's just export it and trace it, shall we? That's game object. Export to FBX. We want to export it 3D from Unity. Use, we'll call it welcome sign. Bring that in. 3D from Unity. Welcome sign. Perfect, look at that. So now we don't have to start from scratch. Face this way, that's okay. Face that way. Oh wow, it even brought in the plants. That's cool. Okay, let's begin. Let's make this cool. So let's start with the sign itself. I want a nice little bevel. Although, before I bevel, always freeze your transforms before you bevel. Oh, and I actually need to lay out the text too, just to see how much space I have. So Alpine Trail Regional Park, is that my final name? No. If I do text, how many polygons is it gonna be? Alpine Trail Regional Park. That is 7,000 tries. No, it's too many. 7,000 triangle. Oh, it's because of all the subdivision. Let's get rid of the subdivision and then... Oh, I don't need 4 levels of extrusion. I don't need delete caps. Okay, I want to delete the front cap, but I want to delete the back cap. And then can I lower the resolution? So let's say curve resolution. Okay, so that's 1700. That's for one decoration that lives in this one scene. I can live with that. It's a little much. I should just be using text, but now maybe I can find a different font. Find it nice. Oh wait, I have National Park font. National Park. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. That font is more polygon. Resolution 1. Okay, so it's interesting. If I put the curve resolution to 1, it looks like it's carved out of wood. Is that cool? What do you think? Do you think that is cool or not cool? I think I like it. I think I like it. All right, we're gonna go with it for now. We're gonna go with it. I might touch it up later. Looks like it can be cleaned up a bit. I think it would be really cool if I shine a light on it to illuminate it at night. That would be really fun. So I will say it's going to be small. It's going to look like this. I just like how it looks like it's carved out of wood. It has like a handcrafted feel, this low poly. Like there's low poly, and then there's this like, I don't know, it just looks chiseled. Maybe I'll do both, and I'll decide later. Let's do both, and I'll decide later. So this one will be... Okay, I have both here. And I do want a lot of kerning. Or not kerning, I forgot what the word is for the line spacing. There we go. Alright, so now let's make a nice frame to live around this thing. I feel like I might be overusing this, like, this design, this sticking out curved thing. But it is cute-ish, right? It's kind of cute. Alright, so I want some rocks, and I have a bunch of rocks that I think I can just grab. So let's grab some rocks. They're here. Rock set. Ooh, I like rock set. No, not all. I don't like those rocks. Rock 1. Rock 2. Where are you guys? Who are you guys? These are in Cartoon Town rocks. Those are not the rocks I'm looking for. The rocks I want are in nature. Here they are. Vegetation? No. Rocks? These are boulders. These are not what I want. Pure nature, polygon nature, fantasy adventure. Oh, I didn't even check these. Prefabs, objects, rocks, cliffs. Nope. Ah, those are terrible. Polygon nature. Are you the ones? Rocks? I have so many rocks. Okay, these are the ones. Very simple, low poly, you know? Just get a little intense. Rock pile. Yeah, I just want all these. Sorry. They're each individual FBX. Reveal and finder. And we'll bring them into mine. Bring them all in. List. Sort by kind. Nope. Sort by size. Oh, that's annoying too. The problem is it has these meta files that I don't want to grab. I want to grab all the rocks. Rock. Ooh, it's 8:51. Try to do something fun. Didn't finish it. Okay. We did a few things though today. All right. Fix some game-breaking bugs. Oh, swamp root. I don't even know. And I believe we got them. Yeah. Bring in all those rocks. Oh god, they're huge. Oh my god, they're huge. I made a button. Did I make a button that lays everything out in X? Arrange. arranged by 5 in there. 50? Oh my god, this thing's huge. These are part of the problem. I don't need this. I don't need this. These tiles are part of the problem. There we go. So many polys, I know. They're actually not that bad. They're just messy. They just look messy. So I'm just looking for rocks that I can kind of stack on top of each other. So this one looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I mean, these are like one single. Look good. Ooh, 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 ooh. These actually look good. These two rock walls look good. Ooh, thank you for the follow. Gary. These are probably fine. They're just really small. So bigger. And then these rest. So the boulder. You're okay. Bring you. And then what about you guys? I think this is tile curved. Not really sure what I do with you. This is just a pile of boulders. An awkward shape. That is a iron stack. Actually, I might want that for forest, but okay. The rest, garbage. Bunk. Garbage. Okay. I like my remaining rocks. Let me reorganize them. Arrange by 5. Ooh. Yeah. Arrange them by 5. That is not arranged by 5. What the heck? Because they don't have concealers. Change 5. There we go. Change by 25. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Now I have a nice row of them I can grab. There we go. Okay, so I want to stack them and make like a column. Shouldn't need too many. Should be able to just use a few of these. 101, posture check. Oh god, I was leaning forward. What's 101? Route 101? You're in the way. It's text I don't need. The idea is basically something like this. Wait, what? Oh my god, these are instances of each other? How do you even know how to do that with an FBX? How did it know how to do that? I did not know FBXs knew how to keep their instances. That's crazy. Why would Unity export it like that? It's even crazy. So let's block out the shape. This the ivy's nice. I'll add it in the game. Okay, so I do add more bevel. Right? Yeah. Followers. Oh, someone has to unfollow. No, please stop doing that. annoying. I mean, yeah, you guys go crazy. Do whatever you want. I'm not here to tell you what to do. If you want to constantly follow and unfollow me so I never get more than 100 followers, go for it. So that one's going to live there. You're going to scooch. And you need this nice and cute. It needs to look cute. Everything's got to be cute, you know? To get that right. Right proportions. Where? That cute? What is happening here? When I click this vertice, something up here highlights. These FBXs from Unity are no bueno. And it's 8:59. We gotta go. Gotta go. All right, we started. Happy with the start of this. This is the latest you've gone? 8:59? Yeah. One time I went past 9 and I got a little frightened. But let's find someone to raid. Let's find someone to raid. Someone to raid. Who's on? We've got anyone we haven't visited. Okay, that is too many people. I like to raid big. I like to raid the little streamers. Did I pick someone random? This YouTuber's, they have a loud and epilepsy warning on the title of their stream. I don't think we're gonna go. See you later. Thanks for hanging out. Look at this guy. I don't think I've ever rated this guy. Let's do it. We're Never rated this person before, but let's do it. Sovereign game dev. Sovereign dev. All right, everyone. Have a good day. I'll see you all on Thursday. And thank you for the 101 followers. Take it easy. Bye.